Hello student, today we will solve 9th standard maths first set and in that practice set 1.3. First question is that if set A, B, C, D are sets given and on that some questions are asked. First question is that C is a subset of B. State whether true or false. Now observe set C and set B. Set C and set B. Set C contains B and D elements or members. Set B contains C, D, E, F. We know when we call subset, all the elements of set C is in set B, then it is subset. Here B and D both elements in B present, then we call it is subset. B and D. Here D have, but B not have. So C is not a subset of B. So this first statement is false. Then A is the subset of D. A is a subset of D. A contains elements A, B, C, D, E and D contains only two elements. Obviously A is not a subset of D, so it is also false. Then D is a subset of B. D and B. Here A and E and in C, D, E, F. But here also A is not present in B, so it is also false. Then fourth one, D is a subset of A. D contain A, E and A, B, C, D, E. That all the elements of D is in set A, so it is true. Then B is a subset of A. C, D, E, F elements and here C, D, E. F is not there, so it is also false. Then C is subset of A, B and D element and here in A, B, C, D. Here also B and D present, so it is also true. So 4 and 6 are only true, another 4 are false. Next question I take third question, and third question is that there are given universal set, another set is P. Universal set contains some elements, P set also contains some element 1, 3, 7, 10 and now we ask that verify P dash of P, that means complement of complement itself, that set. So now answer, first we will find P dash. So now P dash is equal to P dash complement of P. So P dash is that element which are present in P, that not take, and which are present in universal set other than this take, then that set we call complement and which is represented by P dash. So 1 is here, not take 1, then 2, 3 here, 7 here also, 8, 9, 10 also here, 11, 12. 2, 8, 9, 11, 12. This is the complement of P, that is P dash. Okay, now we will find P dash of P dash, that is complement of complement. That means now this not take and this other than this and which contain in U, take 1 because 1 is not in P dash, then 2 is here, 3 also take, 7, 8 not take, 9 also here. So next 10, then 11, 12 here. Okay. Then 1, 3, 7, 10. And we got answer because set P we have P is equals to 1, 3, 7, 10. So P dash of the complement of complement element set contain 1, 3, 7, 10 and P set contain 1, 3, 7, 10 give it as first, it as second, and from first and second right hand same, then left hand also same. So we verify that complement of P dash is equals to P, that is complement of a complement set itself. In this practice set we have solved only 2 questions remaining. Try yourself. Okay, bye bye student. Thank you.